Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, for 7 students in the second, I have started the listeners, poem, not listen, sorry. Poem we have started and I have told you to learn the 8 lines of the poem. Have you done? I hope you all will do. So please do it and once the lesson was over, you complete and keep ready. Now, what we have learned in a previous class? About the poet we have seen. Who was the poet here? Walter de la Mare. So, who was the poet? What was the poet name? Walter. So, Walter de la Mare was the poet. De la Mare, he as a person, such a different character he has. Means different character means his way of writing the poems or writing the stories are different, and main focus of his was children, and all his poems or stories, everything is like something different, means it's strange. Choice is given to the reader. The choice has given to the reader. That and all we have discussed in last class. Whatever you can, starting mysteries are more. Mysteries will be more. We have to think, oh, what had happened. This listener's poem also is like that. Starting onwards, one question mark. Who is traveler and where he went and what is happening, we know nothing. So that and all we have seen. Now let us continue the lesson. So we have discussed that he went to the second time also, he knocked the door and nobody came, and then it was still, everything was very silent there. The next one, a little confusion, he stood there. So having nobody is answering me, I am knocking on the door but nobody is answering, he is thinking and confused. He was a little confused. There he standing. Next. But only a host of Plantomo listeners that dwelt in the lonely house there stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight to that voice from the world of man. So here, but only a host means some host is there. So the different thing he had. Plantomo means what here? Means ghost. So PHA Panto. So Panto means like ghost, we can say. Ghost. So some ghost is there. That appearance he felt. Listener. That listener some ghost is listening to him. Somebody like that he felt. That dealt means what? Dealt means what? Leaving at a certain place. Leaving in certain place. Certain place. So leaving in a certain place here. What they are saying that in the lonely house, in that certain place, nobody is there. In that particular area, it is in a forest. We understood in the first paragraph itself, because they went to the forest and the horse is chopping, means eating the grass, chewing the grass and all. So here lonely area stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight. So the listener is listening there. Maybe some voice is coming. So let me little more careful about that voice. Thinking of that, he started to listen little more carefully to that particular voice in that moonlight. To that voice from the world of man. So from the world of, in different places, in different types of men will be there. So seeing that world of man, maybe somebody in the world of man, anyone is there or what. Like that, thinking of that, he stood there. Stood turning, means turning, like turning means what we can filled or crowded. Turning the faint moon blooms on the dark stair. So in that dark stair, what he is feeling there? in that dark steps. Maybe somebody is coming. Means he felt that turn. Means someone is coming. Crowded. Means somebody is coming, or that some shadow is there. Like that he felt. That goes down to the empty hall. So that steps, that empty dark steps, where is going? That coming to the empty hall. So from there to down, one dark steps he has. Means this all is, he is imagining what is happening. Maybe somebody is coming from the dark steps. From upwards, somebody is coming down. So some kind of reflection he felt. So coming to that empty room he felt. Happening in the hair, straight and shocking. So here what is happening? In that situation, faint means weak. That position, what, how he was faint. Means he was very weak, we can say. Means because of the fear. In that dark night, nobody is there. And there's some kind of sound is coming. Means he felt that somebody is coming from the staircase. So he started to listening there and hearkening. Stood here hearkening in the air, straight and shaken. So some kind of mixed kind of shaken thing he felt. By the lonely traveler's call. So by his call, he felt that something is coming down from the staircase. That stair, how that steps came to the near empty room. He felt in that way. Here what we can understand, when he called, he felt that some ghost, he is imagining that somebody is coming. And that is also where from up to the dark steps they are coming down and coming to the empty hall. Why they are coming to the empty hall? Listening of his voice. Since he is calling, so because of his voice, he felt that somebody came and near the door he felt. And he felt in his heart there strangeness. So there he felt some strangeness he felt immediately in his heart. While his horse moved, cropping the dark terrace. So in that mud, dark terrace means that dark mud, when the horse is moving here and there, he felt suddenly. So what happened? And he felt in his heart their strangeness, their stillness answering his cry. So somebody came near the door. So his strangeness felt that somebody came near the stillness, means near that particular place somebody came. And what they are doing? They are just listening. So they came and they are listening the call of listener. So that he felt. In that situation already of his cry, he is shouting, is there anybody, is there anybody? So that then he controlling himself. That time only his horse started to move there, means on the cropping the dark terrace, means that mud is there. So dark mud, on that mud the horse is stepping and moving here and there. Neath the straight and leafy sky. So neath means underneath. So neath the word meaning what? Underneath. So what is happening? Stripping a loaf with a flat base that supports. So what is happening here? Like a one sandal. So sandalwood. So that is a leafy sky. In that dark sky, in that situation, something is coming from upwards to down near the house effect. For he suddenly smote on the door even louder. So when he felt that somebody is out, means somebody is back, he felt that somebody is standing back of the door. He is knocking the door. So he felt that back of the other side of the door somebody is standing and listening, he felt. And he got frightened. Then he took some more courage and he suddenly smote on the door. Again loudly he started to beat. Even louder, and he lifted his head. So he lifted his head and even louder he started to say. What he tell? Tell them I came. So what he is telling? Loudly he is telling, tell them that I came. No one answered. I have come here, but nobody is answering. You tell that, because why he is telling that you tell them? He felt that something is back side of the door, listening to his voice. That I kept my word, he said. So maybe here we can understand what maybe he promised somebody that he would come to that particular place in that particular house and he will knock and he will meet and go. So that's why he is telling here, tell them I came and no one answered. That I kept my word, he said. Nevertheless, stir made the listeners. So this what he told. Whatever I have said, I have completed my promise and I have them. Though every word he spoke, whatever I am speaking, he felt that somebody is listening. Nevertheless, stir made the listeners. So he felt that the listeners, who is the opposite side, he is whatever he is saying, they are listening and he goes spoke. Though every word he spoke, feel echoing through the shadowness of the still house. In that particular, who is still house means here what we can, nobody is answering, nobody is talking or nothing is sound is coming, nobody is there. In that particular very dangerous place, no strangers will come there. Very strange place. In that particular place he came and he knocked the door and nobody is answered. So all this he has told, whatever I have done in this situation I have done, but I made my promise. From the one man left above. So how much he is shouting there. Nobody is answering, nobody is coming and giving the answer. Hey, they heard his foot upon the stirrup. So they means he is thinking that they might be hearing that as I am going down, they might be heard that I am going down. And the sound of iron and stone. The sound of iron and stone is while he is moving, the iron sound, the stone sound he can hear. And how the silence surged softly backward. So how the silence slowly, the silence started to move backward. When the plugging hoops were gone. So when he started to move on his, as he sat on his horse, and when the horse moves, how the sound is coming. So sound will be, because the down of the horse leg, what will be the iron will be there, stone type. So that sound they can hear. Listening that sound, he is thinking that they might have listened my sound. And who came to the, where he went and why he went and who had called him. Why he went? Because somebody, he felt that somebody has called him to that particular house. But where this house is in the forest, who will call him? This all is, we have to think. I am telling you now, you imagine what had happened. This mystery, take out. We can think, it means the writer has given us choice to think and complete the poem. And we can think, however, means how we want, according to that we can complete this particular situation. So what had happened, somebody answered, or when he went, maybe he dreamt in the dream it is happening, or really he went and we don't know. All these things the writer has given chance for the readers to think and imagine. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. This is the poem completed, and word power is there. Please read out that word power and question answers I will give. And exercises are there that you try to do. That is working with the words. That all easy for you as you are learning. Anyhow, I will give in a PDF. Thank you.